Hello world, welcome back to Cybercreate, and today in this video we are going to talk about how you can install Anaconda, which is basically used for Python and data science, onto your Linux machine. And this process that I'm going to show you is going to work on pretty much every Linux distribution that you are going to use, including the Debian, Ubuntu or Arch Linux 2. So this is the most simplest way to install it, and I will be installing it on Kali Linux, but you can follow the same step to install it on any Linux distribution out there. So let's just start right into the video and let's see how we can install it. So as here you can see that I have my Linux machine up and running, and this is basically the Kali Linux operating system that I am using and I will be using throughout the video. So let's first open up the browser. I am using the Brave browser. You can use anyone. I basically like it because it's based on blockchain. So once you are on the browser, just search for Anaconda. So you can just search for Anaconda download, and here it will show you to download the Anaconda, but you can also write download Anaconda for Linux, but let's go with this Anaconda individual edition. And once this page opens up, you have to just click on download and it will just scroll you down to the Linux, and here you have to choose the 64-bit version because most of your system will be 64-bit. So as here you can see, I already have downloaded it, so I don't need to re-download it again. So let's assume that you have downloaded it from this official website, and then once the download is complete, just browse to that folder. In my case, it's inside my download, so I'll go there and I'll open a folder here. And here you can see that this is the folder where I have downloaded. So let's open a terminal here. So right click and write open on terminal. And then you have to just write some simple commands to just keep this up and running. So you have to write bash, which is basically the thing that is going to install, or it is the terminal that you are using. It's the bash terminal. So you have to just write bash, and you can just write an and then press tab to auto complete it. You might be knowing it if you are using Linux. So once it is done, you have to just keep on pressing enter, and here is the terms and condition that you are going to see. So just keep on pressing enter, 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 and it's going to keep on scrolling. So here press yes, type yes, yes. So make sure you type this or else some things may go wrong. So once, let me just resize it a bit. So once you have wrote yes, you have to just press enter. So let me just write yes, and let's just press enter. So here is most important part. So here it is showing home, creator and Anaconda 3 is the path where your Anaconda is going to be installed. So are you good with that? Yes, I am good. So I am just going to press enter here, and you should also do the same if you don't want to change much. And once you pressed enter, it is now going to take some time because now the real installation process have begun. So let's just wait for the installation process to complete, and it is going to take like 4 to 5 minutes depending upon your system configuration. So you have to be patient there. So let's just wait. And yes, till the installation is taking place, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can basically get notified of any tech related videos regarding data science, machine learning, Python. And if you are installing it, most probably you are into this phase, so a subscribe will be just appreciated. So here I think the installation is almost complete. So yes, here is the most important part. Here you don't have to press enter. Here you have to press yes, or else you are not going to activate your Conda environment right away. It is going to be a pain. So just type yes here. By default it was no. So once this is done, the next thing you need to do is to close up the terminal. Now relaunch the terminal. So everything is installed. Now you just have to reinitialize your terminal, and here you can see it is writing base, which means Anaconda is successfully installed. Now you can just write Anaconda _ navigator, and it is going to launch up your Anaconda. So here you can see that it is launching the Anaconda navigator, and with the help of Anaconda navigator you can basically see that all the tools are available here, including VS Code as well as Jupyter Notebook, Spider and many others. All the tools is here. So you can just click on launch and it is going to launch the Jupyter Notebook, and here you can see it is successfully launched. If you want to create a new Python file, just create a new Python, and let's just quickly test if the Python is working or not. So let's just print Cybercreate and let's test if it is working fine or not. So here I wrote Cybercreate, and yes, it is working perfectly fine, as here you can see. And now let's move on and just test other software that is also installed by this. So let me just close this. So just let me leave, and let's try to open up let's say Spider. So Spider is also used for data science. So as you can see that most of the thing or almost all the things are basically installed now using this simple method, and now you can go ahead and run this. So let's just test it out, like if the Spider is working or not. So I think it is going to work because it's working, and this is the most simplest way to install this Anaconda Navigator onto your system. And I think you must have enjoyed this, and Anaconda is successfully installed on your Linux distribution. Even if you are using any other distribution other than the Kali Linux, which I am using, it is going to work perfectly fine. And if you found any problem, please make sure to comment down. I'll be happy to help you. So thanks for watching.